The world is battling the coronavirus pandemic that has affected more than 380,000 people. Almost 20% of the entire world population is under lockdown, even as the latest death toll stands at 16,568. In India, nearly 500 positive cases have been reported till now, and the number of coronavirus deaths is 10. On 24th March, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a 21-day curfew-like lockdown across the country.
आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
Health professionals and doctors around the world are working round the clock to fight the pandemic. Amidst all the despair and panic, here's some good news that will keep you going. The World Health Organization has announced a global trial called Solidarity to find out if any drug can actually treat infections with the new coronavirus. It has been designed in such a way that thousands of patients from around the world can be tested without putting the burden on hospitals and medical institutions. At present, there are more than 20 vaccines that are being developed. Human trials have already begun. Manufacturers have already planned on scaling up the production once it is developed. But scientists say it will take at least a year to complete it. Cuba has sent an emergency contingent comprising over 50 doctors and nurses to Italy, one of the worst affected nations. The Caribbean island, best known for its excellent public health care, has been sending its armies of white robes during epidemics and pandemics since 1959. Khalsa Aid, a UK-based humanitarian relief organization, has been working around the globe to provide free food and relief material to people in several parts of US, UK, Australia and India. The organization is also delivering essentials to senior citizens who are in isolation at their homes. Back in India, Pune-based molecular diagnostics company My Lab Discovery Solutions Private Limited has developed first made-in-India test kits for coronavirus in a record time of 6 weeks. Currently, India procures test kits from abroad. This is said to be 1/4 of the current procurement cost. Reliance Industries has set up a 100-bed center in a hospital for coronavirus patients. Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital has also offered to set up special medical facilities to quarantine travellers from notified countries and suspected cases. Sukhpal Veer Singh Passi, a Ludhiana-based industrialist, has donated a high-tech aeroblast spray machine to the municipal authorities, which is now being used to disinfect the city. A Sikh body has offered to set up quarantine facilities at a Gurdwara in Delhi. The Delhi Sikh Gurdwara Management Committee has volunteered to open all 20 rooms at Gurdwara Majnu Ka Tila for setting up isolation wards and quarantine facilities.